I'm George.
Hello folks, my name is Robert.
And together, we are the NFT guys.
Here you will find the #1 crash course NFTs on the internet. Me and Joe will present it to you. My background is in finance, in law, and in accounting. And Joe's background is in technology. Together we're a strong team, probably the best team you'll find on the internet, to explain exactly what can or cannot be done with NFTs and everything that goes with it. We welcome you to our course and see you later in class.
I'm going to be your IT guy in this course. I gathered over 15 years of experience within the technological field, and in the past 5 I was focused on many blockchain projects. We structured this course in such a way to give you two separate points of view. On one hand, we have the financial, accounting and legal side, and on the other hand, we have the technological point of view, where we're going to explain how the NFTs are fitting within the blockchain landscape. If you're searching to launch your NFT, or you're just searching for more information about this field, this is the #1 crash course for you. We hope to see you later in class.